Here we're entering the town of Matlacha that was severely damaged by the hurricane. Wow, this is amazing. What a tragedy. Can't get over the damage. Still a lot of debris to pick up here in Matlacha. Hurricane Ian was not very nice to this town. Some buildings have already been knocked down, but you can see the level of destruction to this small, very artistic community. What was once a very vibrant town, lots of little shops, very colorful buildings, has now been left in ruins. Besides the winds, I think there are about 14-15 feet of water over here. Pretty sad to see all this devastation. There's a building that's kind of tilted right into the water. Pretty sad. There's another debris truck going by. More scenes of devastation from Matlacha. Which once were homes are now completely inhabitable. Some little cottages, Matlacha cottages survived, but a lot of buildings over here are gone. It's the pile of debris right down the main street of Matlacha. Once vibrant town totally destroyed, but there's signs of reconstruction, that's for sure. There's the blue dog. I'm glad to see it's still standing. Hopefully in a year or so Matlacha will redeem some of its beauty. Where I believe this is where Bert's Bar was, but it's not here anymore. The whole building is gone. It's like a business across the road is going up again. I believe this is where the road was washed out in the hurricane, where they've had to rebuild the road here in this section. Leaving the town of Matlacha. Very sad visit here today, and where Nancy and I used to come for meals and go to some of the shops. Hopefully it's going to rise again.